In today's video, we're going to cover up my Tesla T here with Chrome Delete, and these Chrome Deletes are coming from my friends over at EVBase.com. And over at EVBase.com, you can get up to 23% off of this accessory, and not only this accessory, any accessory for your Tesla or EV when you use the special promo code Just Frugal Me at checkout. So this is going to have my Model Y looking like this to looking like this. And this is a super easy install, so let's get started. So the first thing that we want to do is take the baggie out that has the front. And you're going to notice this because it's going to be straight. The other one here, if you can see inside of the bag, it has more of a curve to it. So we're just going to put that aside. So the first thing that we want to do is clean off the tube because we don't want any of that dirt or residue on there. So we're going to wipe it off real good. And this is super easy. It's just adhesive. So we're just going to take this adhesive here, peel it off. And we are just going to flip it right over, line it up right on top of the Tesla T. And we're going to give it a firm push in there to make sure that it's going to stick wonderful. We're going to move it around just to make sure. And you can see here the same thing with the top arch here. We're just going to line it up and stick it right on. We're just going to move it around a little bit. And now you can see that it's on there nice. Now I can tell you already that this really make all of the accessories that we added on with the light covers, the front lip, it's just really making your Tesla stand out even more. Now we're going to come around to the back. Let me get my camera stand here, and we're going to repeat the same process in the back. All right, now we're here in the back and we're going to repeat the same process. Now, it's been snowing and ice a lot here in Georgia. That's why the car is very dirty from all of the salt that they have been putting on the road. But we're just going to clean off, especially the chrome part, as good as we can, because that's where the adhesive will be sticking. Now we're going to take our T first, and we're just going to finish this off. As you can see, it has the curvature. So that's how we know it's going to be on the back. And we're just going to put it right over the T there, give it a firm push to make sure that it's getting good connection. Then we're going to get the top, and it is super cold out here. So I really can't even feel my fingers right now. It's like 13 degrees here today in Georgia. So we have this off, and now what we're going to do is we are going to put it right here on the top. It's just going to give it a really good push in to make sure that we are getting good traction there and it's not moving. And there we are. So that looks amazing. And lastly, we also have a steering wheel chrome cover as well. This is made from real ABS material. Forgot to mention that earlier. And this can just go right over your steering wheel just like this. However, I'm not going to install this, so I would call this piece optional because you do have the silver here, but along your dash, you do have that same silver, so it really helps this Tesla T stand out. But if you want to put black on black, there's nothing wrong with it. As you can see, it really looks good. I'm just going to choose not to put it on there. So again, this is how it's looking in the front. Looks amazing. And here's the T in the back, and it looks really good with the spoiler right here. It really helps your Tesla stand out, giving it a lot of personality. And remember, you can get that accessory or any accessory for your Tesla or EV when you visit my friends over at EVBase.com. Use the special promo code JustFrugalMe at checkout, and you can get up to 23% off. And be sure you check out the video right over there, more accessories that you can install on your Tesla to give it personality. The other video, all things about your Tesla and your money. Be sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.